Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to withdraw from Treasure NFT wallet to your bank account. To withdraw from your Treasure NFT TNFT wallet to your bank account, follow these steps carefully. First, if you already have TNFT tokens in your Bitget wallet, you need to swap them for a widely accepted cryptocurrency like USDT or BTC. Open your wallet, go to the DEX Decentralized Exchange section, choose TNFT as the token you want to convert, and select the crypto you prefer in return. This step makes your tokens easier to transfer and cash out. Next, transfer your swap tokens to your Bitget exchange account. Go to the deposit section in Bitget, select the token you swap to such as USDT, and make sure you pick the correct blockchain network like ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. You'll get a deposit address and QR code. Use these details to send the crypto from your wallet to Bitget. Always double check the blockchain network to avoid losing your funds. Once your tokens arrive in your Bitget account after network confirmation, you can sell them for fiat currency like USD, EUR, PKR, etc. through Bitget spot trading or P2P peer-to-peer platform. After the sale is complete, proceed to withdraw the fiat funds to your linked bank account. This final step might require identity verification or linking your bank details depending on your region. By following this flow, swap, then transfer, then sell, then withdraw, you can successfully move funds from your Treasure NFT wallet all the way to your bank account.